Have you lost time trying to find the latest logo or update a palette, or maybe even search those brand assets your designer created but can't find which one is the latest? You can now join me in this happy dance because with Creative Cloud Libraries and Adobe Spark, you will save so much time. So this graphic that you're seeing right here is a template that I designed, and I am using and leveraging Creative Cloud Libraries, and you'll have access to this very unique library with these designs that you can see. So these are some organic shapes, and I am just kind of dragging so you can see it has textured, it has color. Obviously, we're aligning with the bold, vibrant, beautiful hues that give this an organic feel, but to the next level. So you can click and look at all these examples and you'll get access to this template as well. And they are included in the link below inside the description. So make sure you click on those to access them. Now, what is super exciting is that you can access even more assets from this little Creative Cloud library that I created. And once you're in Adobe Spark Post, I'm working off the desktop, but you'll be able to access this just on your Android, your iPad, and your iPhone. So all you need to do is go to the plus symbol to add a photo. Then you'll see this menu that pops up and you're going to click on Libraries. Now you're going to look at whatever libraries you have saved. So this may be different, but you're going to see now Organic Shapes by Nick de Cuevas. And once that loads, you can see all these shapes that you can load and use. And a lot of them, I already have them in the design, but I'm just gonna select another one. And let's just select this nice little squiggly line. It loads it into the template. Now you can resize it, and sometimes it'll look a little pixelated. If it does, just refresh it and it will just look really nice and crisp. And you can place it, as you can see, now it just refreshed once it loaded. It looks really nice. I made these large enough so that once you enlarge them, it's not going to look pixelated and you can see all these beautiful textures. Now, let's say you want to leverage this for your own brand and create your own Creative Cloud library that you can share within your team or within your group, or if you're trying to share some assets like I did. We're going to go back to our main Spark area and we're going to create a library. So right here, I'm in my main area inside the desktop version of Adobe Spark Post, and I'm going to click on Libraries. Once that loads, you can click here and it says Create Libraries. You can give it a name, and all you have to do is just go in, give it a name, and upload your assets. So I'm not going to do a new library, but let's just click on this library that I just created for you that you'll have access to, and this is what it's going to look like. You're going to be able to add assets here. So you just click here and add a PNG, SVG, GIF, PSD, AI file, or a JPEG file. So these are all the formats that are available and you can use this. So if you have a designer that's helping you with your brand, this is so powerful because they can update that on their end. You can have a shared library. Now, if you want to access some of the public libraries inside Adobe Spark, go to your Libraries tab, and here you'll see Public Libraries. In there, you can select from any of these options, and I'm just going to select the library here for Make It Happen, and we click on that, and then you'll see here at the very far right, Copy to your libraries. Once you select that, it's going to copy it to your libraries, and what's going to happen is that once you try to create a new post inside Adobe Spark, you'll be able to access this library. And now all you do is click on Add Photo, go into your libraries, and you can see the library here that we just added, Make It Happen, and you can add any of the images inside. And if you haven't used Creative Cloud Libraries integrated with Adobe Spark, I really hope this gets you excited to start using that. And of course, this tutorial couldn't be possible without the support of my friends of Adobe Spark, which I am so excited to partner with them as an Adobe Spark ambassador and bring you this specific tutorial to really help you harness the power of Creative Cloud Libraries.